First of all, I extend my hearty welcome to media friends and also NES executive members who have come to Potin. In the history of Nisi Elite Society, for the first time we are having a press meet here at Potin. Nisi community is a big, large community, and many things goes on happening in most of the time. Now, to clarify the issue, I would like to tell the people through you all that Nisi Elite Society is the apex organization of the Nisi community, and it has some affiliated organizations. They are ANSU, ANYA, then Nisi Service Engineering Forum, then Agri Elite Extension Society, and then NFC, Nisi Festival Council, then Nisi Art and Culture Welfare Society. So Nisi is a big community. But other than this affiliated organization, we don't know any other organization. And in regard to the ANYA, the Nisi Youth Association, duly elected, headed by Byabang Joram as president, and Dr. Bengyat Adai, General Secretary. It is the affiliated and recognized Nisi Youth Association of the Nisi Elite Society. That means of the community. And who are not affiliated, they are not backed by the community. For any act of those organizations with surnames but not affiliated and not recognized by the community is not the responsibility of the community.
They already have two bodies. As of now in social media, many unions, not one of the unions has claimed that they are also an association. So what would you like to say on that? What is the action that is being taken by the union?
No, we will not take any action, but they don't get backing of the Nisi community. Nisi is a large tribe and also a powerful tribe. That does not mean that anyone should take the Nisi surname and form or any organization. So if anyone forms organization with Nisi surname, we are not responsible for that. And if they are really backed by the society, then they should apply to the Nisi Elite Society for affiliation and recognition. When there is no affiliation and no recognition, Nisi Elite Society and that community does not have any relation with them. Whatever they may do, that will be at their own risk and responsibility.
The state association has also told the media through the briefing that the tenure of the Byabang Joram's ANYA has been ended, so they are the real, the genuine ANYA, the association. So, is there anything you would like to say?
No, it is not possible. If I claim that I am the real leader from Yajali area, this will not make it right, because the real leader from Yajali area, elected leader, Sri Tavatadar is there. So like that, if anyone claims that we are the real ANYA, who will prove it? And to prove that Nisi Elite Society is there, they will identify whether this is real ANYA or not. So Byabang Joram tenure is not yet over. It will be over by February first week. So we have already written to them. We have written to Byabang Joram led ANYA to conduct conference and election within a time frame. So I think they are on the process of conducting initiation or discussion has already started. So they will do it. Now, when that will, their term will end, if they don't timely conduct election and conference, then to take action, Nisi Elite Society is there. So we are yet to take any action. Simply we have advised them in written to conduct a conference and election timely.
So when is this general election of ANYA is being
We are expecting very shortly. On 26th of December, we have written to them that this age-old message that in this society, mushrooming of the organizations is harmful to the community. So that's why everyone should discourage mushrooming of organizations with the surname of Nisui in the society. We will be having a
Next month, sir.
on the next month extended executive body meeting where the clan organizations will also attend. Clan organizations are playing vital role in the society. We will discuss with them also that mushrooming of organizations in the Nisui community is detrimental to the Nisui community in all activities. And after the discussion and meeting with extended executive body on 15th, if any major decision taken, then we will let the media know again.